Hey guys, it's Miss Fowler here. So I'm going to teach you how to get your 3D design from TInkercad onto the 3D printer so it can be printed. The first thing you're going to do is open up TInkercad and sign in. The next thing you're going to do is go and look for the design you created when you were in Ms. Hatcher's technology classes. And you need to open up that design on one of these laptops that is connected to one of the Dremel 3D printers. If you'll look right here, now you're going to click download, and then a little window pops up and you're going to select download for 3D printing. Once you do that, it's going to give you the option of an STL file or an OBJ. You always want to select the STL file because that's what the slicers convert to print on our Dremels. So once you click on the STL, click open. I'm going to go ahead and maximize the screen, and it takes it just a second, or a few seconds actually, to get everything loaded and opened up. It's still loading. Okay. If at first we don't succeed, try again. So I'm going to close out of that viewer window. I'm going to click STL again. Let's try it again. Okay. Oh, it said my files are still downloading. Maybe I'm just too impatient. Yay! Okay, it finally opened up. So I guess you just need to be patient. I'm going to maximize that screen. Once it's maximized, you're going to click on File. Just go directly to File. You don't have to mess with anything else on the page. And you're going to click Print 3D. Once again, we're playing the waiting game here, so once it loads, you guys, it's pretty simple. It's just going to feed your design right through that blue cable, feed it directly into the Dremel. And the Dremel that we use is the 3D20. They're the older Idea Maker Dremels. But we already have one up and running using the same process. So We know it works. Just might be a little slow getting it going. Yay, something's happening on the screen now. Alright, once the screen is opened up for 3D printing, once it's opened up for 3D printing, right here, all you have to click on is Dremel 3D Idea Builder, because that's the name of the machine we're slicing to. Okay. And it's looking for the printer. You can see it. It's still loading. I don't know if you can tell, but the little cursor, the little arrow here, the pointer, it's kind of flashing back and forth, on and off. So that lets me know that it is communicating, the laptop is communicating to the Dremel printer through the blue cable that's transferring the data, that's transferring your design into the printer to get it started. Oh, I guess once I selected Dremel, I should have clicked the print button at the bottom here. Maybe that's why it was, yep, sorry. My bad. So you have to click the print button at the bottom. I just realized that I had not done that. So that's why it was just sitting there and not doing anything. Wasn't printing. Don't be tempted to mess around with this and move things around. Just wait till your design loads and starts printing. Maybe I need to tell it to go print again. I don't know. Let's try it. With all technology, you just have to be patient. If something's not working, just try it again. So now it's telling me it's getting my model ready for printing.